from 100 to 120, no? Okay? So, for most instruments, okay, stadia interval factor is equivalent to 100. But again, it's depend to the problem kung sa'yo ibihatag, no? And then S stands for the stadia intercept. Okay, katong distance na makita sa set ko sa stadia. Okay? And then F kasi, that is tinawag ng stadia constant, no? Equal to 0 for internal capacity rescue. Okay, and that is the angle of rotation of the line of sight. Okay, so this is the distance nga itong gamiton or gamiton ng formula. Okay, this is equal to the stadia interval factor times the value of stadia intercept times cosine theta plus the stadia intercept. Stadia constant. So that is F over I times S times cosine theta plus F plus C. Okay? And then, kung paano ito horizontal, okay, component niya, horizontal distance, if naka-incline ang inyong instrument, so that is D times cosine theta. Kung ano vertical, that is equivalent to D sin theta. Vertical na ito is look at S, dito sa horizontal plane, tanong sa line of sight mo, okay, tanong sa center sa imong stadia intercept. This is the stadia intercept. Okay? So, therefore, and then, for the subtens score, okay, muna yung subtens no? Kaming, tanong nag-transit, okay? And then, nagbarubya plus ng itong measurement ni stadia rad. Okay, so, pila distance sa niglas, muna yung S, di mo? Okay? So, gamitan lang natin, trigonometry, pwede kalimutan na ito. This is purely, kaning simple trigonometry. Okay? Okay, for the temperature change, for the error in measurement, okay, so we have error is equal to temperature, coefficient of thermal expansion of the tape times the length of the tape, okay, times the length times the change in temperature. Okay, so that is the error. Okay, it's the error plus okay per length or every length of the temperature. Okay, kung wala itong full correction, okay, or meaning na sobrang bitat, or itong bitat test, okay, that is equivalent to okay, change in P times the length divided by AB. Okay, kasi yun din PLAE. Okay, PLAE. Okay, so P stands for pull during measurement, and then PO is the standard pull when the tape is of length and low. That is standard length of standard pulling. Okay, subcorrection is always negative. Okay, the perfect change of pull correction depending is kung sino. Okay, kung perfect change ni mo ibuyos, so therefore less, ang iyong measurement kumay muna yung i-add. Okay? Kung ang measurement mo i-init, so ni-expand siya, so therefore plus na kung pumasakot, pag ang measurement yung basa, same, muna yung minus. Okay? And then, ang full correction, okay, kung sobrang bitat, okay, I think our full correction kung sobrang bitat na, so therefore may lumit. Wala na PLAE. Diba? So therefore, guys, as tasin mo measurement, okay, pero yung reading kamay. So, muna yung i-add. Okay, kung balik ka, kung yung inayon, okay, task the reading, yung bawal. Diba? Okay, or full correction din. Okay, kung hinay ka, hinay yung full. Okay, again, mag-add ka. Okay, task yung reading, okay, gawin yung measurement. Okay, for some correction, always in negative. Okay, kaya sa class, alam ko lang sa akin. Okay, ang mga tanong class, yung mga mabasa is na po, pag ang actual measurement is lesser. Okay, so mga class ngayon mo, mayusan. So we have Subtraction, that is W squared plus N cubed divided by 24 squared. Okay? And then the residual fraction, okay, that is negative ever, that is x squared divided by 2x. Okay, kasi dahil hindi na kayo yung gamit. Okay, rare lang kayo buhat of test or rare kayo yung problema. Kasi dahil mo is by way of sloping na lang. Okay? And then, if we're working through distance of a line, okay, that is true distance is equal to measured distance plus the error. Okay? And then, the total error plus is equal to error per tape measure, per tape measure times the number of tape measurement. Okay? And then, reduction of sea level. Okay, so, ganyan lang guys. Okay? Ibanin ninyo kung yan po okay, at total plus the rate. Okay? At atong kaliyan, anong tamang kaluta, nakakadalit. Okay, nag-surface, wala ka sulod. Nagsulod ka pa tayo niya. Okay, ang langit test, nagpadaling langit ko. Okay? Ang langit test, nakaliyan. So, dito na rin, pag-uula guys. Okay, padala ka ng above ng level na per level. Okay, and then, ang kali guys, more on vision portion naman. Okay, basta as long as nakabaw ka, kung asa ka na reference point, correct naman. Okay, so let's solve a sample problem. Okay, again, may proportion figures test na ito kung yun. Okay, pwede na rin wala this. Okay, that is purely ratio proportion na. Okay, and then for the approximate formula, okay, rare naman siya buhat of this. Okay, ayun na kayo magpapumure sa buhat formula na dili kayo gamit. Okay, nagdato kayo formula ngayon yung familiarize. Okay, na-math. Okay, may design, structural. Okay, mga karaang code, mga bago code, sa steel, sa RC, karaan, bago yun. Okay? And then, napo may mga theory, mechanics, mga shortcut, ngayon yung familiarize. So, wala nga selective mo kung sa'yo familiarize nyo ang formula. Okay, yun, tanan na. Kasi mahawas na lang yung photos. Hindi naman dahil sok-sok. So, please selective lang. Okay? So, tanawa guys, more on magawas, kailan mo, usap-usap, no? Kung hindi ka niya, ayun, okay, kani, gawin din. Okay, effect for Earth's correctional refraction. Okay, so, again, find correction for the vertical is 0.0675 k squared. Ang k mo, that is the horizontal distance. Okay? And then, k stands to the kilometer. Okay? So, wala na yan. Since ang akong class, di ba na yung purely straight? Diba? Okay, di ba yung purely straight yan? Since nakatulong to yung pagkat, but again, negligible yung ang yung effect. Ito may naman eh. Okay, kita ko mga airness. Okay, yung measurement na to. Kilometer. Okay? So, therefore, negative error. Okay, manin yung mga error na to. Kaya ito measurement test, di ba ninyo yan eh? Straight man. Vertical, horizontal, straight on. So, wala mawatan yung subay yan eh. Wala tayong subay sa air test. So, wala nga ito pa na tinatawag na effect of Earth's conversion. Okay, for the leveling, stationing, okay, so may natin ito test. Okay, so nakay-transit or through the line. Okay, then punta ka rin test, that is the foresight and the backside na rin. Foresight test, kung ang imong line at kung line to side is manong dito, wala yung foresight, kaling nga rin. Okay, ngayon mo yung point, ang transit, through the line, back na rin. Tuyok mo ka tuyok. Diba? So that is foresight and backside. Again, purely, may gano'n ko rin. Or simple, play geometry.